everyone, thanks for tuning into my channel. Please hit that subscribe button, like, and comment, and let's get right into today's video. So into today's video, I will be using these flat back pearls that I got from Shein, these flower decorations that I also got from Shein, and for the base or this spring flower set, it's going to be orange. So I'm using my Young Nails Taser gel paint, this Madam Glam white gel paint, AliExpress dual liner brush, these gold butterflies, and also these gold flowers. And also I'm going to do ombre, or try to do an ombre, and I'm going to use this what do you call it, like that sponge part for this ombre and this orange glitter. Now I'm also going to be using these AliExpress gel nail tips, and everything I have just mentioned from Shein was in my previous nail haul video, along with these AliExpress gel nail tips. Now these are really good nail tips. Highly recommend. They're really strong, very durable at the end, and bendable at the cuticle area, which I like. You know, when it comes to the bend, the bend test, they are really good. They show that the line goes away, so that shows that it's durable. And now, like I always do when I'm doing this lazy girl method or gel X method, I like to go around that area just to, because a lot of the nails always come squarish, and I like to make it round, just like that, the cuticle area, which is rounded. So that is what I'm doing here, and just filing the free edge to make it straight and take off that little tab at the end. Now I'm going to begin prepping my nail, and I am using my cuticle bit just to go around the cuticle area, clean that up, and prepare it for this nail set. And now, instead of taking my sanding band, I'm just going to go in with my 180 grit hand file and just file the nail bed and just take off that previous gel that I had, and continue prepping my nails. After I've sprayed my nails with alcohol and dusted it off, I'm going in with my peel off base like I always do, and just putting a coat of peel off base and curing that in the light for 60 seconds. So now here I'm beginning to do my gel X method, or the Apres dupe method, and I'm putting the gel into the well, and then I put a good amount at the cuticle area, and then place it at a 45-degree angle above my nail bed, and then press down until the gel is covering the entire nail bed, and make sure there's no air bubbles, and then I cure it in the lamp for 30 seconds and continue to do it for the rest of the nails. Now, to begin my design, I decided that I wanted to have a glitter nail for the pinky nail. So I am going in with my McCart base gel and just placing a coat of or a layer of base gel on the nail, and then taking that orange glitter and pouring it over the entire nail, and then curing that for 60 seconds. And now I decided that I wanted to make the glitter more opaque, so meaning that it's not too sheer. So I placed base coat underneath the nail also, and then place the glitter in as you see me doing and press it in. And then I also cure that for 60 seconds, and it just made it look so much better. As you can see here, now it looks opaque and that full orange glitter nail. Now I'm going in with base coat for the rest of the nails before I gel polish them. So I'm going to cure all these nails for 60 seconds. And then I'm going to take some regular polish, and this is going to be my base coat for which one? The pointer finger, the thumb finger. No, sorry, the pointer finger, the middle finger, and the ring finger. This is going to be the base coat. And I mean to say base color, not base coat. This is going to be the base color for the nail design. So now I'm going in with some blooming gel from Born Pretty for my thumb finger, and I am going in with the blooming gel to make a marble nail. So I'm going in with my Madam Glam white gel paint and my Young Nails Taser, and then I'm using my AliExpress dual liner brush and just creating some lines for that blooming gel. Now, one thing I love about blooming gel is that you don't have to do much, because basically the blooming gel does everything for you. So it basically spreads the gel out and gives that marbling effect, and all you have to do is just basically create those lines. So that's exactly what I'm doing here. I'm just going zigzag, doing, anything that I want, because I know that the blooming gel is doing everything for me. Now, I know that I wanted it more of an orange background, so that's why you see the me putting a lot more orange on it, and just consistency. You see that it's mostly a lot of orange, but there is a lot of a lot of clear, so it won't make it too orange, like it's an orange nail. And as I go in with the white and create these lines, it's going to give that marble effect. Now, the thing is, you do not want to use, or I should say, you do not want to move it around too much, because you don't want it to blend. You're not looking, for it to blend. You're looking for the marble. So do as many lines as you want, but don't try to go so much like blending it. So after that was done, I cured that for 60 seconds. And now for the pointer finger and the ring finger, I decided I was going to do ombre. So I'm taking my Young Nails Taser and using my Madam Glam gel brush, and taking that sponge-like tool that I got from Shein. And I'm trying to basically sponge that top part and blend it into the nude. So as you see that I'm doing here, I'm just blending it and moving it upward. And then I tell myself that, okay, this ombre is a little bit too far down. So I do go in with some more orange and bring up that ombre, and then go back again with the sponge. And this is how they are looking so far. I think these nails look really good. That ombre came out really nice. I'm so impressed with it. When it comes to gel polish, it's not easy to make an ombre, but that looked really good. So anyway, now I'm going in and making a French nail for my middle finger using my Madame Glam white gel paint and my AliExpress liner brush. And guys, like I said, I highly recommend this liner brush. It is incredibly easy, and it gives you two liner brushes, you know, one on each side, and it's just so easy to use. Definitely recommend it. Now for my thumbnail, I thought it was a little bit too plain, and you know, gold glitter always, you know, can make it pop out. So that is what I'm doing here, just adding some gold glitter lines and making this marble nail pop. Now remember, this is a spring set, so I'm going to be using some butterfly and flower stickers. And when I started taking these stickers out, I decided that I was just going to use the gold butterfly stickers and not those colorful butterflies. So, and I also wanted to use these flower stickers, which I never used before. So when I was peeling off the flower stickers, I didn't realize that it was actually gold and white. And I didn't mind that at all because I actually had, you know, my French nail that was white. So I thought that was pretty cool, interesting. I thought it was like, you know, I didn't know that the flowers were actually white. I thought it was like see-through. So as you can see there, they're not see-through. It's not a gold, you know, it's not like gold like the butterflies. It's actually white inside. So that's pretty cool. I think that was really pretty. And that also made it the nails pop too. So I'm picking a different flower for my pointer finger, and I'm just placing it above that ombre, just because, you know, I like the way that looks. And I think these, look at those stickers. These are really pretty stickers. Like, I definitely recommend those flower stickers. Those are from Shein. And now I'm going to place some gold butterfly stickers on the same two nails. And I don't know if you guys seen my nail haul video, but I have a lot of stickers. So that is why you're going to see the next few sets of me using my stickers and seeing how they go all together. But this sticker here was so I put one on the bottom and one on the top, as you can see here. And this is how they're turning out. Look how pretty. So now don't forget, I'm using my flowers and my my flat back pearls that I also got from Shein. So I'm just going in with some rhinestone gel. And I'm going to go in with the flower. Now I wanted to use the orange first, or that peachy looking one, but it looked too much like the background color, the base color. So instead I decided that I was going to use a big white flower and then 2 mini peach flowers. And now I'm going in with my, not the smallest flat back pearls, but the second smallest flat back pearls. And I'm just adding them, as you can see, to the middle finger, next to the flowers, in that swirl kind of line. And then I'm going to add some at the top above that peach flower also. And I will also be putting in some caviar beads in the flowers. Like the little gold balls will be in the flowers, but I did that off camera, so I'm sorry about that, guys. And this is how the nails are looking, so cute and adorable. And now I'm just adding some top coat, which is my Nail Couture top coat, my favorite top coat of all time. It is definitely the shiniest that I've used so far. And I'm just curing that for 60 seconds. And this is the final look, guys. Let me know what you guys think. I think these came out so cute. A great spring nail design. Let me know what you guys think. Like I said, thank you guys so much for watching. And don't forget my 1,000 subscriber giveaway. And I will see you guys next time.